Hello friends, I'm Mr. Ramakanto. Today I'm going to talk about this and this. Now what are both of these? This one is for putting water inside the container, the water container inside the bird's cage. And this one is for the food. Technically you could also use this as for refilling the water container, but then again, yeah, I think this one is better for water since it can reach well deeper. But before I tell you the rest, subscribe to the channel to support us, like the video if you like the video, dislike the video if you dislike the video, and of course comment down below something in case you want to comment down below something. Now it says here, this is the branch and then hose bottle multiple uses. I cannot translate it perfectly. Okay, volume is 1000 milliliters. Why can't you just put it in liters? Because 1000 milliliters is literally just 1 liter. Super quality. That's just a claim. So I guess we could cut it. Okay, put this somewhere. Do not litter. We're going to put it in the trash. Also, yeah, try to be careful in the cutting since the hose is also cuttable, kind of. So I guess we could open it. Oh, that top is not really cut very well. Okay, it says here the brand name and then the amount of liters. 1000 liters is right here. If you want to fill it up whole, like until here, I don't suggest it. It's just going to flow out when you put the hose in the top. Well, you need a little more than 1 liters. Now I guess we could put the water in. Yeah, no, I'm not going to make it splash. If it splashes well, then it's not a very good thing. Anyways, this bottle is less than 1 liter. So that wouldn't really make any sense for it to be, full. So yeah, it's only until here. But then it's enough. You don't need it full. You just need it like 2 parts to make it work. Okay, then you put the hose in and then you screw it on. And then apparently they did not really measure the hose because the hose is too long. Oh no, it's not not very correct. Okay, yep, it is always angled. Not just try to triangle first. Then you try it first. If it works. Okay, here's the part. The water is nearly running out and I need to put it away. Oh, and by the way, yes, I have not yet gotten around to painting the Chris and the dragons. Okay, let's try if it works. Or not. Haha, no. It needs to be screwed on tightly. In which it isn't, I guess, right now. Okay, I kind of did it. Kind of. Okay, yeah, it does not really do it very effectively. Well, apparently the bird is scared by air. Yeah, it's not very effective, so I guess we need to screw it on more. Alright, I think the problem is kind of in the hose. Okay, I think this is good. This is kind of tight. Okay, yep, it is better. Yep, okay, that's enough. Okay, can you please move from the food spot? Yeah, we're just adding the food. Now, there is this. This one, hold on, I need to move it. This one. Now, how does this work exactly? It is simple. Gravity. And yes, I am going to explain how the adjustment works. Okay, I think that's enough. That, because we are just going to add. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Apparently, I think that's enough. Oh, wait, that's covering smoke. Oop. And that better for it to be, low. Okay, I think that's enough. Now, how does this work, you might ask? I already explained. The other one is pretty simple. I can just place the brick down. Ow. Yes, it is heavy. Now, how does this work? Now, it works by when you squeeze it. Since the material is elastic, the surface, the amount of surface area still stays the same. However, the volume changes, displacing the water up here because, well, the water does not really resist much, but then again, it needs to take up space. And as you can see, not really see, but wait, I don't think you can hear it, but oop. Well, just gets pushed up and then keeps getting pushing up since you're squeezing it. And then once you release the squeeze, the bottom becomes lowers the pressure. Why? Well, because there is some unoccupied space at the bottom, and thus, pulling the water in, the one that hasn't exited the hose, it pulls back in, occupies it, and then since there are some water displaced, air is going to rush in instead of, well, the water that is now here. Air is going to rush into through the hose and then in. And that's essentially how it works. You squeeze, volume, surface area stays the same, volume is, well, decreased, water goes up, and then the rest of the water goes down, and then air comes in to replace the displaced water. Note, if you want to use this with some other kind of container, since the hose, it kind of just resists when you try to screw it on. Well, the container has to be squishy. You are able to squeeze it, otherwise it's not going to work, of course. And I think this works differently than a hand sanitizer, I think. So yeah, I guess that is it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.